right there designed to keep it safe and protected. The bad guys decide to start shooting. Come on, Gold Coast, what do you say to that? Master, listen to this thing as it comes by. Listen to how quiet it is. You're enjoying your job, huh?
100%. Most incredible job. Saying just before, I've been to 14 countries just this year alone. I'm only 23 years old, so I've been pretty incredible, lucky with this job.
I love it. You have such an important job, too. Now, look how the C-17 is configured. This is the slowest flyby of the C-17. Going to fly fast, you have to be able to fly slow, and that is a rare.
We're going to show you what multi-pilot can do. This is the freedom formation.
Freedom formation is go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's have a little listen to the RVs and the yak as they pass by for their first pass. So in the lead we have Jeremy Miller, number 2 Gavin Noor, number 3 Ollie Garrity, number 4 Braden Rowley.
Soviet Union era jet right here in front of you, and a fast one at that. Look at the speed. Around. I'm talking about the Polaris, and it's making its way inbound right now from the left. It's their multi-role tanker transport. The commander today, Captain Sean Hill, the first officer, Captain Rob Coho, as well as Captain Kieran Furlong on board. That gorgeous maple syrup hauler all
top of the ones with a little bit more grunt, I suppose. A little more, right? A bit more. 400 horsepower engine. I'll be doing most of the inverted maneuvers while the yaks will be doing a flattish show, but still there's one big difference between the yaks and the air chase. The yaks can do this funny trick.
touch the And down here on the ground level, there's a different way to find the rock star pilot that she is. Simply incredible to watch. Had her dad fly to the show earlier, and I'll tell you what, Matt Hall, the wingman, here it turns. Here comes the noise.
I gotta tell you a little bit about him. He's the Australian back champion. He's also the 2023 Scott Grand Prix champion. And he's not only an aerobatic champion, an air race pilot pursuing his dreams.
No, he is a world-traveling business jet aviator piloting incredible jets all over the globe. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, seasoned aviators and first-time flyers, give a big, warm, Gold Coast welcome to Australia's own Aaron Dellier.
The FA teams for the Americans and the Australians.
We have a joke. You want to hear it?
Yeah, sure.
You can't win a war unless you're passing games.
It's true. It's very costly.
I'm telling you what, it's the only way to make it happen. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen, from the United States Air Force. It is the KC-135 and the C-17 here with their demo pass.
C-17's bigger than a Hercules.
It's a big, big airplane, I'll tell you that. Look at those two. The crew is based in
Sergeant Johnson.
Sergeant Jason Washington, senior airman. That's the kid that eats the paste at school, I guarantee it. Anybody crazy enough to jump out of an airplane and then fly like that has my respect. What do you say, Gold Coast? Nice job, Byron. Watch that speaker. There we go. Oh my goodness, a center point landing. Yeah, now we're kind of going. I'll tell you what, I was watching these guys on rehearsal day. I had to keep my eyes on them. In the lead right there, Adrian Vandersloos. He's got that shiny red one right up front. It is modified to include all, this is for the av nerds out there, I'm sorry, but all of the Steve Wolf and the guy that just left, Sean D. Tucker, all of his mods, they're in this airplane. He likes to fly around the local area at the international air shows. He's been doing it for about 8 years, but he flies for fun and just loves performing with his best friends, his best mates, if you will. Those are the two guys on his wing. Flying number 3 and the other red. I want you to watch now, I want you to listen, because this is impressive. C-17 now configured for landing. Looks like it could touch down right here at Show Center. Landing your back closer if you have. Now just put yourself there in that austere environment where this thing would be. Watch and listen now as the C-17 approaches. Those huge turbofan engines, capable of propelling the jet not only down the runway but also lifting up a very short distance. Soon coming up with this is the whisper of the well, the Focke-Wulf has gone back home. Today it was flown by Chris Mayer. We're so thrilled to have him. We have Doug Hamilton, P-40. The Mustang has the Merlin. The Kitty Hawk has the Allison. Named for the front. Show the world what air power is all about. The Allies have arrived. Lamborghini in the sky. This thing is an all-out race plane. Watch it. Kilometers. You heard it.
at One Flight Training School at East Sale in Victoria.
Yeah, they're instructors at Central Flying School, which is right next to number 1 Flight Training School. So these are the instructors that are teaching pilots in the Air Force how to become instructors. So they've already done their tours at number 1 Flight Training School and number 2 Flight Training School. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right now, pull that one against the lead there. Lead is going to go fast.
So, Pricey, how much training would it take to...
So from the left now, the box fly past at 200 feet. So ladies and gentlemen, to the right now, Golden Pilot 6 once again, performing with the mirror. The move made famous by
So, Pricey, during that manoeuvre, how close are the aircraft?
they're sitting about 3 or 4 meters apart. The U.S. National Aerobatic Champion. He is an incredible pilot, and this is an incredible machine, built after years and years of beers. Yes, you heard me correctly. That's what it took. He and his buddy Del Collar put this thing together.
Pirouettes. Woody and Chook are now showing us the incredible nose authority. These are used in combat to defend against hostile heat-seeking and infrared missiles.
You look like you're showing off.
I love her.
Field to see if you can spot them as they descend low level and accelerate to speeds of up to 1,100 kilometres an hour to achieve these near supersonic The crew's now washing off all of that speed as they launch into they hit the brakes and he'll fly right by. Make sure you give the boys a wave when they come past. They'll be able to see you. Missiles on the wing pylons, 2 heat-seeking missiles to the wingtips. The jet can also carry an internal 20mm gun that fires 100 rounds per second.
One perfect day, we'll be out walking. Something is calling me. Whoa, this perfect day, I can't stop thinking.